Hi everyone. Today I am going to discuss a topic on building static methods. So in this program you are going to observe how to write static variable and how to define static method and how you need to apply the static block for the same. Okay. So let us see step by step here. So the main keyword used for this concept is static keyword. Static itself is fixed. Once if you are declaring the static, it cannot be modified, either variable or method or okay, like that. So first of all, go to file, new project, Java project. So project name is static. So static method, click on next. So click on finish. So click on window, show view project explorer. So you can see here static method. Right click, new class, okay, and create one class name as build. This is your class name, and select main method. Okay, now our next step is declare some variable static int, and just let's apply some formula base. Okay, let us take the volume of cuboid. Static double, you can take double primitive data type L comma B comma H. And next you can write the static block, give scanner class, apply scanner class. For scanner class, please see my lecture class for scanner class in my channel. So give L is sorry, scanner, create scanner object. System.in. So L is equal to S dot, next double. Similarly, B is equal to S dot, next double. And now next, right? Static block again, double. V is equal to L into B into H. And now you write a static method, static void this system dot out dot println. If you are giving void, you need not return anything. Here V. So it is not declared globally. That's why you are getting error. So for this reason, you can give outside. So now error gone. Why? Because if you declare here, you can't understand. It is within block. Okay, if you declare globally, then it will Java compiler can understand. And next, whenever you are introducing the static block, no need of creating object, no need of object. Directly you call the method from the main. What is the method here? This. So what is the output of this program? It will display the volume of cuboid. Okay, let us run this program. Console screen not available. Click on show view. Console. Give some length value as 3.2. Breadth value some 4.8. Why you are not taking h value here? You are just reading only two values only. So h is equal to s dot next double. Okay, that is the way you have to do. Now again run this program. 3.2, b value 4.8, h value 7.3. Okay, if you multiply length into breadth into height, what you are getting? See, that is, again I will show you. That means here three values should be read in the console. Okay, length, breadth and height. If these three values read to console, it will automatically calculate the volume of a cuboid. Okay, length into breadth into height. So that is the way you have to work on the building static methods. Okay, I hope you are clear with this. So in this concept, what is the main highlight point of this concept? That is static. Static is nothing but fixed. It cannot be modified later. Okay, variable, static variable, static block, and static method here display. So that is the way you have to work on the building static method. Okay, and directly you can call the method from the main. No need of creating object whenever you are taking the static block. Okay, once go through this, we are having doubt, please ask. Okay, thank you for watching. Okay, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, put like and share with others. Thank you for watching. Keep update for more videos.